So I'm sure when you were studying in the Ateneo, there were some professors who you might say were instrumental in
Yes.
making you interested in the subject. So let me give you a chance to shout out and mention who they are, just to thank
For
them.
me, yeah, for me, Prof. Mars Balgos, no,
Mm.
of AGSB with the MBA, kasi because of him, I found my ikigai, no,
Oh,
and also of course with Prof. John Balaong also, no,
you.
kasi with Ateneo, it is more on ethical, no, and the last one is Prof. Eliseo Aureliado, CPA, no. So siya talaga yung nagturo sa akin about the essence of accounting.